guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just have had my hair in for a week. This is the Zury Natural Dream 30-inch ocean wave hair that I posted my last video about, and I just wanted to come on here and show you how it's doing as I promised. I just did my makeup. I thought about doing a get ready with me video, but just where I would have to do my makeup, I didn't really feel like bringing all the makeup down here, so I didn't do that. But I've been wearing it out, how you guys seen for like the past week. Just leave out, down, so natural part, side part. But right now, with it going on a week, I decided that I wanted to wear it in a ponytail because I'm going to several events today and I didn't have time to fight with any leave out. So I'm going to take it out of the ponytail, even though I'm wearing it in a ponytail, just so I can tighten it. Interesting. So this is my first time trying to use my Got To Be as like a sculptor because I accidentally threw away my edge control. I've been using the Ebin edge control, Ebin, whatever it is, and it's been having my hair slaying and laying, okay? My edges, my hair, whatever I put it on, it lasts, and I won't have to reapply it for like a day or two. But I accidentally threw it away. I don't know how I did that. So I have a little bit of flakiness, which I'm glad I took off my scarf now and not just later how I usually do. I feel like if I just put a little water though, that'll like get rid of that crunchiness. And I'm still pleased with how like it's laying, so I'm not like mad or anything. But the hair has been fairly good. It has the same luster. You can see it looks very natural still. But you can tell at the ends that it is kind of synthetic. And honestly, on camera, it doesn't come across that bad, but the ends just had like that little curl to them, and I've kind of lost that curl just from like combing it out so much. And you know, with long hair, I've honestly been like wrapping it up in a bun for most of the day and stuff. So that might have a little bit to do with it tangling a little bit. But it's been very easy to detangle. It hasn't been matted at all. Like, I'm about to fall. It still has like movement. Very good movement. So I'm finna be cute today, okay? I'm finna be cute. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all that the hair is worth the $21 if you need a 1 week style. And you know what, I've gotten a lot of goodness out of this because I had a photo shoot this week. I was able to use a headshot from the photo shoot to put on my Actors Access. I've went on a date this week, so my hair was cute. You know, just something I'm glad that I had my hair done this week, basically, because it came in handy. Some days I really don't want to get up and do my hair, and this was a good week for that. Like, it was very easy to just get up. My leave out blends pretty good, so I wasn't flat ironing my hair every day trying to get it like super silky, because the hair was never super silky from the beginning, which is why I liked it. It matches my natural texture pretty good. Like, look at this. They ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing when I go to my little brunch right now. So that's about it. Just wanted to make this quick video for y'all. If you'd like to see some more get ready with me videos, you see on my makeup, let me know. Subscribe, leave me a comment, tell me what kind of videos you want to watch on my channel, and send it to a friend. You know, it's free. It's for the free ski. Do me a favor. Alright? And I have been touching this hair all week, and it's still Still doing it. So see you guys next time.